Hey, yeah, welcome back, and today I am going to solve the biggest problem people face when drilling. Alright, whenever you are drilling, a lot of dust, a lot of dust may come out from the brick or the cement, and this has been a huge problem for me. And today I'm going to solve this problem of mine. I just got this. Alright, this is the Bosch professional dust cap. I saw a lot of reviews in the internet and they asked me to get this. This is a dust collector used whenever you are drilling. Alright, as you know that I do a lot of drilling. So today I'm going to review this product right here. Let me just open this. Alright, and inside here, alright, you have this. Let me explain to you what is that. And this one right here, this is the main product actually, the main dust collector, where you have this hole where you place the drill bits inside. This is where you place the hole you intended to drill, and then all the dust will be collected down here. And this cap right here is removable so that you can collect dust and throw it out later. Alright, so this one right here, okay, this one you may or you may not use this. Depends on you, depends on the drill. Like for example, for my drill right here, I don't have the extra coupling. You can place this thing right here. This is actually to hold the dust collector in place. So if you don't have a drill that has this coupling, right, you can place this steel rod to hold the dust collector. It's okay, right? You can still use this with the drill bit right here. Alright, so for more information, I think they have included the instructions manual for you to read further. As you can see here, this thing right here is used to hold the dust collector. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use this thing right here. You're gonna see how effective it is. Okay, so this is from Bosch, and let's start drilling. So I'm ready, guys, to show you how to use this dust collector. I have placed my drill bit into the drill chuck. So for example, I'm gonna drill this drywall, and there is a wood stud behind here. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. For example, we are gonna drill here. Just place this dust collector right where you need to drill, right, and then insert the bit into this hole right here, and then you just start drilling. Let's see how it collects the dust. And that's it. So as you can see here, it's so clean, and all the dust, they're collected right here, down here. So now you have a very clean hole drilled through the drywall, and everything is collected right here. So that is the use of a dust collector. And this is from Bosch. If you want to get this, you could get this through Amazon, and do try this at home.